Enjebia amanyofo beko epueye atoye asretimemufo se omonto omoso aba na mibiso edren ena omowo ema ekuafo mibisa ekuafo efise Ghana ha ye sika sam ho fapem ejina ekuayo mu wenti ena ekuafo TV kofa bae ye defo kra eba ya to ni din the hot seat eye dwumade bia ye ne wona omonimu de metro ministers MPs MCs, DCs, any empo aspiring MPs, one on wejina say yentu omoso aba ebehia na niomwo ema ekuafo ana a great sector no omo de atopo no so wo hot seat no so no me akosia asabia asmeni megina wana mu na mebisa omo ensemo afa ho obese obeso yasen a hwe numbers ya egu TV de so efre ni eni wo endi nkita ho the hot seat ebeye she the hot seat ebeye hot akonwa no so ebeye she Mema, good afternoon. Yefemi Akosia Asabia Asumeni Midasi say wo the television no atu Ekuafo TV will share the hot seat. The hot seat about Kwemo every Sunday at 3 p.m. I mean that's all fail the election fever nana. And I said because of COVID-19, so I expect a campaign in Bekono and cause no all fail fever. Maybe there may fail fever and Pamihu election. I smell it pa. Na enano ye share a manifesto. Say the ruling government a MPP for the manifesto ebaye and Chebia and the biggest opposition party in this country, the National Democratic Congress. And so Eddie manifesto ebetuja and Ansenya Krano omo flag bearer and as a former president John Dramani Mahama Eko Kumase town hall meeting and so the manifesto no Eko Kumase share on MPP for call Central Region and NDC for Kumase. I mean so what ya but no ye share a NDC for manifesto o membia fapem eye omo emmebunu na Ghana ha no so ye mebunu so eye Ghana ye fapem na ye hwese manifesto no omo de aba no die na ewo mu ema emmebu ewo Ghana ha sei efise se emmebu na ntimi anko school ntimi enya insano adwuma ye expect say the crime rate ewo krom ha ebekoso na say to trust ebekosoro ewo menmo enkofo bebe I mean pundits ni experts aka say NDC for manifesto na say ewo youth prominence power me I cannot tell it eneno ye ne omo national youth organizer metre NDC national youth organizer Mr. George Opariado ene ye be share manifesto no ya hwe ne ewo mu ema emebunu ewo Ghana ha. Mr. Barry, Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Na me na say your France waje pin ye say won ye ebeka sana campaign kosing.
Na me adom. Ya ekoso ye sanya nyame hihye no me sanya ye pe no. Sa pepe na ekoso me na wo ka say ye running mate e de na ni Central Region, we Western Region, Rural Central. Okofi Asefi Upper East be ye northeast northern region Rural Savannah and then me know ka say we Western Region Rural Central Region home region flag bearer so na me know ka say in print on Nambono Easter
right
and ra ofa KJG kofa yeji no munyina onam so ono so nam menim say on general secretary na national chairman so de na ni chere no wa Ashanti region and Oba Monday, you manifesto, Tuesday, Waba. And so Sunday, the near chair, something so I got to us. Yes, you were training every day between
right. Obibeka right. Obibeka say, "Unse do me be say na say youth no." And I mean, most of the campaigns say na ejinamo so. It's you being the leader. Am I youth no party no? Then are youth no catch up. Are you in touch with them on the grounds? And what are they telling you about this year's election?
You cannot me an effective youth organizer when there is a disconnect between work and who base. Into any base no keep it actively in touch, and from all indications, there is a groundswell of support. NDC Amanyoko no. Teach you a manifesto na ya to the people's manifesto.
Right.
And in the panel. Any daso a match the anani pan pe ya Ghana for person mote ene the omate wo manifesto nim nti ameni da so bebre e na aba and I can assure you say ene ye to aba it will be extremely difficult for the NPP to even get 45%.
Wow, really?
Their air cost na said a cosa maybe when that's also the next president of this country, 7 January 2021, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
So your party and the youth in the party no hungry for power. I mean positive hungry for power to say.
A better understatement.
Oh, okay.
To say yeah hungry for power. And yet NDC mebunu
right.
Ghana this year train say in Sakrayi Bibeba. The core Ashanti region call the real launch of your manifesto. And the pain I make capture Madame for Ashanti Nibi my year Juma was Ashanti Maimu. Minim Sani Ashanti Maimu 2016. In the almost 2 months I was Ashanti region, visiting almost every constituency, interacting at first hand. And I'm Asamba back in 2020. Ahonke come in 2016. Any ahonke can you huni sisi ano air strongko. Nipa no aye krado. Say can make aban with the LCS no. It is not any about NDC mebunu. Dodo na ahyia on say eye Ghana for asede. Say sabe ya air boy nkro no. Na sebe oton ye ndache amebusua baako. Na sebe no ye bebunu untumi sondaye. Emma would die soon embem because Sebi o mamia na papa and dom ebusua kobia na amanyo kobia Sebi ubi adwuma na ye Ghana ni a e wosi egu no nipa hia etifia o madwuma egu na nipa hia o mahwere o nkwa because ye gugu banks a o musika kokem na ban ni betumi atua mo bosume enfie mienu ekire na manfo ahwere o nkwa enema bo amanfo mbesu kusema ye basa because on mama or papa was the bank no want me easy come na John Mama koka say oba obetua ne de na metin ya manya skadi in chiancrophone so be Ghana for sabi ya adwemu ye haresa ya adwemu oju
Mr. Pare your time I about the banking sector issues when we say I can once more but if there is time I will go back to the banking sector because the government's no chess more na more cost what we are having now but let's focus on your manifesto for now. So my manifesto no it's about 143 pages and point is I made me offhand made me I can say most mobile create youth ministry mobile legalize Okada you abolish the double track system. We will take it one after the other but let's start with the creation of the new ministry. Why do you want to create? We have sports, youth and sports, right? So why the new youth youth ministry? There's a mobile youth in every sports and one as and what informed that?
Okay, you feel say your friend of the People's Manifesto. Now say quapo now ko jini pana adventure the nipa no epe the nipa no ehwehwe no and I just say be ya mom and yes some omo kan ni na the final space in the manifesto and che be start here policy dialogue series no and everybody be on my a policy any na be manifesto anymore but the creation of the youth ministry no the who say 60% of the total population of this country
right
issues are confronting Bebunu endorse. Na se when ya aban krabia a shame Bebunu some kwanso nan pimpi no ya the youth akobatari education pay. Ya the youth akobatari environment science and technology pay. O kan Ghana bakose mu and nan pimpi no near the youth akobatari sports. Until a minister many enko emebunu nsemo so meanwhile population on the dodo no nipa dodo na ewo oman ni mu no say o ye bibi na nipa 60% of nipa dodo no e fall under one group na was so more special attention issues are confronting emebunu so edoso pa educational issues emebunu teacher and the confronting employment issues. Because labor force no, from 18 years I'm running my work between a year Juma. I be do 60 as an work pension no. Between 18 and 40. Oba Ghana ye mebuno no even though a year international definition year 35, no, Ghana the end by extension, could do by 40. Between 18 years and 40, a form is 75% of the total workforce.
Right.
In say Mbebuno. Oba apomudin healthcare. Sabe from 0 to 40 years for a dozen. And among issues that affect you now, issues that affect young people. About issues of labor laws, once and some do na ye mebunu and affect you. And female reproductive health, almost every facet of your society, in some no, even pensions, because your contributions are be and some kwakra boom no, and pensions. So, ni na affecting mebunu. So what I say. Me can say you will Minister of Gender and Children's Affairs. Gender and any answer of Shema and in Gonda. So I'm a show me be na sign mebunu. What I say. So it has become necessary. And in almost all the advanced democracies, you will ministry solely for youth development. You can say Ministry of Youth. It's a ministry for youth development. So you bet me a developing mebunu no. From skills training, from education, from creating job opportunities, any big biara ebeboa mebunu na Ghana yenda chakoye. We started by saying say o man biara ne dache ene ne mebunu. So if we're able to focus your energies, your time, your strength on building youthful policies ebeboa man na, me gidi say ebe kon kind be brain. That is how come you set out say we will create a ministry solely for youth development. And it's not just going to be any other ministry. It's going to be a cabinet minister. Now, at the cabinet level, you have the interministerial committee on youth development. Because, for instance, Minister of Health, majority of Nipana SNSC, any issues are dealing with, are youth related. So the Minister of Health will be a member of that ministry, of that interministerial committee. Minister of Education, from 0 to so the Minister for Education will be a member of that interministerial committee. Local governance, sanitation, nipa say the 100 years sanitation ejuma. So almost every facet of our society, we are also
saying your agencies like the YEA. Okay.
For instance, YEA. It doesn't fall under the Ministry of Youth and Sports. It falls under the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations.
Right.
So I say, but this is an agency that deals with youth-related issues. Such a ministry, such an agency should be under the direct supervision of the Minister for Youth Development. So what we are seeking to do is that all departments and agencies are dealing with youth-related matters. All of them will be brought under the preview of the Minister for Youth Development, so that the other ministries can concentrate on normal core mandates. Meno can say students under under TVET, technical and vocational studies. Apart from schools now falling under the Ministry of Education, most of the schools now fall under Ministry of Education. Like the various NVTI centers now, under Ministry of Education, free SHS, they don't benefit from it. So when you students, I say Ghana and this year some benefit from free SHS. Because their institutions do not fall under the Ministry of Education, children have free school fees now, mama, they don't benefit. Right. You say, audience are fair. That is the challenges I can say. So all these agencies, all these departments, if there was a ministry solely responsible for coordinating affairs of young people, almost everybody who is supposed to get something from youth development, and it is to streamline all this so that agencies, the entire sports, if you want to say, sports is a big area. We've treated sports recreation, but sports is a business. Sports has the potential of creating 2 million jobs in a record time of 4 years. That is, if we pay special attention to coast football, lesser known sports, and develop sports infrastructure across, which the manifesto promises and we realize all this. So you cannot have a Ministry of Youth, a big, Now
then
sports
and also yeah
big. And look at the issues that confront sports. Even sports, football in Kwan. Football in Kwan, your non ministry crank up.
As I can have the football non Kwan sports.
It is because the minister in charge of youth and sports no 1 minute or show youth in Yema. And you know how challenging issues confronting the youth are. At the same time, ordinary interest sports. And our sports is so. Until you sports move back one. And I have football pay. And any football pay sports. Meanwhile, when we were growing up, secondary school sports are inter-colleges, no. The Yimano to force, they were discovered from secondary school sports.
Right.
And until we pay special attention. And then, about tennis in Ghana. But all these people were developed and discovered through secondary school sports. So we must pay special attention. And the NDC's manifesto is promising there. We are going to set up a sports development fund. I had the on earthly talents. They develop sports. Send you won't get fund. They need develop education. We intend to set up sports development fund solely to develop sports in such a way that sports is very comprehensive. And these two ministries, the Ministry for Youth Development and the Ministry of Sports, it is the next game changer for any government.
When the committee, manifesto committee, compile your manifesto, like your department, were you part of them?
Me part of you, easy, and me fakwenya is the national chairman of the NDC, Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo, and the Honorable Esidu Nketia Ase. Na me signed His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ase. For the first time in the history of the NDC, you form a manifesto committee, out of a committee of about 14 or 15 people, now youth representations, a year 2. That was so. You form from the youth wing. So I made those nominations. Nipa 2. You signed to your friend the youth manifesto committee. Emma, the committee went around this country, solicited views from Ghana this year, your various student leaders, your regional youth organizers, your constituency youth organizers, various youth groups, CSOs are a daily youth related matters. We need your opinions about it. Meaning about first manifesto, jobs and prosperity for all. The key people are the jobs. Because the labor force, 75% of the total labor force, the theme for your manifesto here, jobs and prosperity for all. To create jobs from Mebunu. And from page 1 to page 143 or 144, every single page speaks to opportunities from Mebunu. Our manifesto is youth-centered. Tax cuts for small businesses, Mebunu. Startup businesses, tax cuts, Mebunu. The job creating component, Jumapa, 1 million jobs I say be creating, Mebunu. So me mamia when 60 years, and you feel no babe pay Juma. So I say, NAPCO beneficiaries, I say, be retain your money now. Mebunu na forming.
Mr. Barobe hold on, mama, ya koba, ye be go into details. Juma Ben, sir, 1 million jobs, I'm promising. Then specifics, at the same you better, sir, and no everywhere. We go so I shot a hot seat or a food TV. You got quick break, you koba, former President John Dramani Mahama, or sign a flag bearer, ma NDC, who are promising country, they say to me to the swab and also by a president. For the first term, which is a 4 years term, Obama 1 million jobs, especially for the youth. Yeba, NDC National Youth Organizer, Mr. George Opariado, Ebesha say, Juma Bensa, and now Omonde Beba 1 million on bits me. I'm asking Ebekono, Mamenda, a year, Maurice Fashion Academy, Omo Chantra Hills, Accra, Heya, Omobo Anija Hospital. Omoni Anija Hospital ena eben udu Anija Hospital abehu se Maurice Fashion Academy no so ho omo no ma hye me atade kama ena Dolly's Beauty Lounge and also ewo Mata Echo near the police barracks omo so no ma me makeup and me hairstyle ya ma me ansana program ne be kwa ewe no me de omo contact ebe ma ono wa from na oni omo edi nkita ho ye kwa quick break ne embrace ya.
The hot seat. The hot seat.
Metamu akwa about Sonkokra Embra the hot seat ewo Ekrafo TV. FM akosia asabia asumeni me that say every Sunday 3 p.m. or day with television or eto the hot seat ewo Ekrafo TV. Me so opesa obeso yasia numbers na chegu ewo TV no so free. Ni eni wundi nkita ho na beso yase na this period, especially this election period no yemfa quality election program emfa embrewo. And ne yabe PMO ewo the biggest opposition party in this country, National Democratic Congress, and as a NDC, ne omo national youth organizer, Mr. George Opariado, and then share manifesto no, dien ena wadema emebunu ewo omeimu if say yenim say oman bia ne dachi and as an fapem emebunu say emebunu no oman mu no enye adwuma anye entumi anko school ensano adwuma yomo ntini anye bia eno na so mo nam nam fofo etuo de gina bia una ma wote wo kan mu na ye ne yasa wote kan mu no anye adwuma no de etu abesi so ne ntine say ya manyofo ne ye hye say edien ena omo wo edema youth no ewo manima ntine Mr. George Opariado ena ye twetwe komo Mr. Opariado most of them are 1 million jobs 1 million jobs no mu the time frame account first term there's a 4 years no mu 1 million jobs a different type of jobs and I'm what they my
asabia ushia Ghana this year and as okwa pro na Ghana this year din komo they ahu ne say dodo na wa adwuma but adwuma na mo ye na nje bia enim
right
yes ye be ma adwuma pa adwuma pa no de be ene kwa adwuma pa mu so because owo adwuma pa na ye adwuma oya owo ni daso ewo adwuma ni mu onim se osore anopa na bosome so a onim se eden ya kakraba beto ne bank account apart from that so onim se adwuma na oye no owo social security bia bosome bia no otua bibia to na otena bi inframabo ni bi ba owo bibia ode ne ho betwere na we na yakwa pro ne enze se Ghana fo be nya nije wa adwuma na omo yenuma na sa nyema we e wo se wo ho no mo so be shi obi so me journalist o me kwa adwuma na me ba na me be commercial no ama me bibi kakra ye ntua me ka wa adwuma no meaning that the aboni friend job security na bi ni ho no mo
right
we na ya hwa na ye no ye tumi nkosoma mbabunu e da achi enye basasa it's now see a creative enabling environment a bit me sustaining na ye create adwuma pa amom ye kwapro ekoye dia broni friend on job audit e wo public sector ni mu ye job audit ni wie ye within the public sector alone ye wo 400,000 vacancies I also feel that is aban adwuma
400,000
vacancies e wo aban adwuma ma also feel ye wo teacher for ye wo a lot of schools are here under resourced in terms of teachers especially rural communities no tie post teacher bia kwekura bia say basic school teachers especially because most of them basic schools and the rural communities tie post asabia we training college and we college of education is asabia ko hia menchene asabia ko hia menchene ba so ho de menko because insuo ni ho no mo kanea ni ho no mo ka kwan na ho ni nko yie Samako adwuma kura me enyo kada mintimi nko adwuma kada yinso eye legal so mama dauroma o se oba be en legal amaye
you never saw
dia ye kan say be bia serve vacancies ni wono wo teacher kro na obekọ ho no mo no ye be more special motivation as part of your package e wey your manifesto ni ma teachers are on beko into those communities so that teacher ni na okọ ho no mo no ye be more packages bia ubetumi atoka ubetumi atodan as part of woji posting so obekọ say wura nimu ana obekọ say kra na say ana obekọ be bia ho wana sabi environment no enye conducive ema no so that all ko bo bra kakra ho no ma o ba back to krokesi mu no ne bia o su kra bibi eno no emaburu bebiri asabi on ware no nim say de dan animu ni a in 5 years obenya sika atoka in 5 years obenya sika atodan because of South service no current down our community ma obeko South space no ho no ye assessment no rural areas na here South teacher posts in over 100,000 yes this school down bebre MB before to me bia no e blocks na efiase no bebre area o esisi onum teacher ni all those are
Maybe
vacancies.
never.
Enye no kre.
School that were outskirts of a town.
Asabia.
How do you expect that Akwalani all 90 miles?
Asabia.
Where do you motivate him?
Asabia ignorance. And the man MPP for Kasasa. What to the concept of development as here. And then baby I tell you interview. Obeso see school dan see anoma. Why I say unya 10 acres and school dan. The concept of development, they say open say uye development. You will projects be a development and the development eba school eka hubi. You build schools in outskirts. Na krono enyi atomo. When you are building schools in outskirts, immediately at this school you be see on no. Obi ba be see hostel one chain. Businessman or new business no. And you must look for area la asase available. Usi school will be here playing field. Will be here other auxiliary facilities. Unya asase ni kwa na usi school ni we nya asase and auxiliary facilities now. Waboka when usi school ni po yake. Krono enyi beto sa development no. That is the concept of share developmental planning expert. Yeah, that is what you tell you. Yeah, yes, CBC schools no outskirts no. Yakuzi schools no in Remo. We built it at the outskirts of the town, and we provided buses.
Oh, you did?
Yes, every school
in the villages.
Every school year you see the bus can home at school no, because it was to ferry the students to and fro, and you can say a community based. Meaning about Akoda already 5 years, 6 years in some rural communities. And Nante, so about 10 kilometers now access school. None of the secondary schools are a place here, no, are more than 5 kilometers out of town. So sad negative propaganda and say you could see schools in Rem. At Chimota School, I'm not saying in Rem. At the Sarah College, I'm not saying in Rem. Crony ni kotu school no.
Or we because at Chimota School most started as day, right?
Okay.
Started as day school.
Most of the schools coming from our built started as day schools. So I say the concept behind the community day secondary schools no was to make sure say free SHS no and yet this cumbersome you double track. Many other school years see.
Mr. Opare, we don't want to confuse our viewers.
Exactly.
We will come to
the
so where abolish double track. So let's deal with the employment, the jobs. 1 million. We say incentives for those who be posted to the remote areas.
So for teachers and then educational related jobs, non-teaching staffs, library workers, other workers are a school course between that any uncompleted buildings any rural postings no it's about 150,000 jobs yes I hear job assessment they will say there be a lot of district assemblies only call human resource now yes assessment no between local governments and local government service there were about 200,000 job vacancies and what's the affair
it's in NAPCO recruiting into me and areas
NAPCO
because they were telling us that there was even possible local government, especially.
I will deal with the NAPCO issue.
Right.
You know, I'm a former municipal chief executive, and
Yeah.
I am a local government expert. Even though I'm a lawyer, I have special emphasis on local governance. And, you know, I understand the concept of local governance very well.
Right.
So, a hundred of 200,000 on my befill. Only bomb when you're 350,000. Offer United Nations for standards for policing now. Every one policeman is to 500 people maximum. Obagana, a ratio 1 is to 750.
Right. So we need more.
So in the police force alone, there were a gap of 100,000. The same applies to fire service, immigration, and all the various security services, and also another 100,000 a woman. When you have 550,000 jobs, so now we are talking about ICT. You see, we're creating 1 million coders across the country. We will train coders. Who are coders? People who develop websites, people who enter data, people who use ICT infrastructure to work. In the last 6 months, COVID, we've all seen the need for ICT.
Right.
When President Mahama built the Accra Digital Center, the idea was to create a technological think park. People can go there, train themselves, and then become coders. There are a lot of companies abroad that open data entry people, and they outsource data entry. You may create 1 million coders program in a private public. It is a public-private partnership where we will train people in web designs and then social media, a big industry. People are earning millions from Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and what have you. It is an industry. I was here building Crawford. You're building ICT centers across the constituencies and regions. We are going to use those centers as training grounds for people. Give or take. Out of the 1 million we'll train, you will be about 100,000 of them will go into ICT proper and then create jobs. And mind you, ICT Nagaza, you become an entrepreneur on your own. With your computer, you can go anywhere and earn money. And that gives you sustainable income. When you're 650,000. Then we come to agriculture. Yes, we are going to convert the Ministry of Agriculture to Ministry of Agric and Agribusiness. That chain, we are going to start with land banks. But one of the difficult things facing people is acquisition of land to go into farming. So government is going to take those lands from the farmers. We are not buying them. We are building land banks. They will give it to 3 or 5 young people as a cooperative. They will form cooperatives. They are assassinate more. No matter what you assassinate, so juma. Oye juma ni wiya, bosome so na afeso na utwa won no ba na assassinate wura no mama ni bibi kakra. Government is also going to build mechanization centers. Into no tractors ni nyema nyina be wo ho no mo. You only go to the mechanization center at the district assembly level. Okofa now the call. Or you return it and then you pay a token. Because maybe a young person, yes, can go high. Agric alone has the potential of creating 200,000 direct and indirect jobs, which are sustainable. When you're 850,000 jobs, and we are doing this over a period of 4 years, you are left with a balance of 150,000 jobs. There is something called agribusiness, processing and marketing of agri produce. We are anticipating that with proper infrastructure, we can create 50,000 jobs within such chain, so that we can help people set up processing plants. For instance, maybe you grow tomatoes. We don't need to export all the raw tomatoes. We must be able to process those tomatoes. Interestingly, we'll come up with a program called YEDEP, Young Entrepreneurs Development Program, where government will give young entrepreneurs SICA. It's a loan you will pay back, but 0% interest. And then we'll use NDSSI to support you. So that business advice will be here near the amount. Also, we are going to do free TVET. 3 or 5 TVET students on BBA school. We will help set you up into a cooperative form of a business. We are going to pass what we call the Employment Act. And then at every district assembly, we have what we call the district employment centers. And then we will expect, private companies who hire from the district. So people with their certifications, when you hire, we will give you tax relief when you hire young people. Also, all people who come out of the YEDEP program, they have about 2 years tax relief, so that you don't have to pay tax on the business you are doing, and then you can reinvest your money. We are also saying, the private sector is the engine of growth in every country. 100,000 now, we are a private business person. Now we're employing people more than 20 years. Or income, a corporate tax of 25%, yeah, this one at 15%. So that 10% invest it back into the business and employ people. All startups for the first 1 year tax-free. We believe that when we give that enabling environment now, another 100,000 jobs can be created by the private
Mr. Corrado, fantastic. I mean, you see the way I'm listening to you. But
it's feasible, and I'll tell you why it is feasible. For instance,
and yes, election. I mean, we want to hear. If promising and the promises.
I've shown you the public sector ones, for instance. All the assemblies now, we need this human resource to go there and work. 2, the police. We need the police and the security service. All the abandoned hospitals are now buying by your major way. Now in the first 2 years, out of the big push, it means our hospitals. Yeah, you know what that means. All those hospitals will require human resource. We know because there are over 40 abandoned hospital projects. The minimum number of people who work in a hospital are about 1,000. Minimum, about 1,000. From technicians, nurses, doctors, lab experts, minimum of about 1,000.
Mr. Papa.
It is over 40,000, over 40 hospitals abandoned now. That is 40,000 jobs seated at home.
Mr. Papa, when we were in government,
Yeah.
near war unemployment issues.
Okay.
There were even association of unemployment graduates.
Before you when you look at the numbers,
Yes.
statistical service, unfortunately, I didn't think we were going to get to this debate. But the real, I have a document in my car from the statistical service department. The unemployment rate today is higher than the unemployment rate in 2016.
Really?
Yes.
Because I want to find out, say,
Yes.
I mean, when you were in power, there was unemployment. This ideas, I mean, we couldn't implement
Asabia, when we were in government, in 4 years, President Mama had access to 190 billion in 4 years. When we were in government, we only had one oil field, the Jubilee field, working. In 4 years, President Akufo-Addo have had access to $392 billion, twice how much President Mahama got. 3 oil fields. Certainly, the variables are not the same. It's, you know, you can say, yeah, the 10 billion, and all this I have spoken about, mean can't big push, no. The big push is going to go mainly into construction and expanding of the economy. It means that construction creates a lot of jobs. So, yeah, 1 million a year. This, because a Jumapa, these are sustainable jobs that will last you. Construction jobs, NSR, electoral commission registration, those jobs are temporary jobs. I have not added that. But with the 10 billion big push, no, it will create another avenue of over 1 million jobs. Just through because the various construction sites, no, you better carpenters, you better laborers, you better masons, you better tilers. These are jobs available to artisans. I have not added it as part of the 1 million jobs now. So a lot of jobs will come. That is why you manifest 20-year jobs. And not just jobs, prosperity for all. And then MPP are buying by Omania form or national service in Omba Pamo. Omba any form of Pamo. They are John Mama can say the government of Ghana is a government for every Ghanaian. Because Rolling Atamils refusing say Obepamo MPP for an away dream. One of the issues where Rollins was complaining.
So your father wanted him to sack
because before by Obepamo. So what President Rollins wanted was that Oma, because his concern was that Omu sabotage by.
Right.
But Atamil said no. Yeah, by Oma no moving now, we still left. We believe so we are a Ghana. We said a better Ghana for every Ghanaian. And we are saying of prosperity for all. Sabi, and yes, oh, boy, Musiabi, is a microphone in here, one man, I think for a so I can say,
you're demonstrating against
I said, nothing is me here. So we demonstrated here. That means me here. And now, if you people on this one.
Now, say the people is what I can't a quote, a corner or way, dear. I think for the attach or your chin, but everybody wants to be attached yourself. What is be about touching? Oh, but so also be a Sakawa, but is it not? I mean, Sakawa.
But we call
Sakawa, dear.
We call
Sakawa. I mean,
but a Japa and your chronobo. Ken Bond and your chronobo. A Japa PDS and your chronobo. Who perpetuates our crime way against the state? What name again can we call?
No, but we expect.
No,
say we expect to say grassroots for no can. Nanka leader founder no, don't use that word. But if the flag bearer of the biggest opposition party comes on its chair candidate
Akufo-Addo, Professor Mills, Professor Doolittle, Yanka. Candidate Akufo-Addo, the sitting president, Akunyana or as part of Etinasono as incompetent, Yanka. Akufo-Addo lost the right to complain a long time ago.
Let's get back to job creation.
Certainly.
So Okada, I say, are resonating with the people in this country of all the way. No, we have heard the Okada Drivers Association. The Riders Association. Right, the president Kasa is a good idea. Obibeka say, what changed? As I say, most legalized. Are we safe? Under your government, are we safe?
Asabia, Ufifa.
as in me feel
Okuro of
me from your man fear crapim.
Oh, so me no one if people. But my fe crampo no usame pepo no. Na do safro. Na do kwamoso. Na o fa yin so kwan na. Me gidi so nim hono mu nyina yi.
Minim pa.
Sa kwan so car send it to me wura nkura ni bi ase. Oni makwata akwaso.
Dabi.
Ka nko. So why nyambo to chi antana untumi nko ba bia wo ko.
So but 2013 that's how corona na kan so. But na mo pese mo ban eh commercial use of
motor. Yes. About the policy bar. You assess the policy after some time. Meboa. Say your papa otwaso, say your papa otresan. Yet to kroma no the luxury tax buy. Meboa.
Right.
After 1 year you can sign.
And
you kufa me the luxury tax buy. Yet to kroma hanomo. And you say the toll tax ba meboa. You can sign. You for talk time tax now say you increasing.
Yeah.
Well, you're reducing the back here.
You reduce, yeah.
You know what it simply means? The policy was unpopular. About Bia or right say, what the policy ba now assess the policy in an year or to sign because all soon nipano. Into the nipano panel and I was away.
Yeah, sorry. I then I want more moon with Juma. Now so motorbikes.
Asabia.
Ghana Medical Association said motorbike and crime accidents and increasing the rate of accidents for Maimua. They were even in support of banning it. Now they say Muslim legalized.
Ghana Medical Association. The Guineas of Mokasawa, wouldn't be here. What is so called the accident of Nipa 2, more than Nipa 2 a wida. And then I say, Chichiro saying for bus, Nipa send a woman. Yet Kroma no bus back, you turn buses. Now in a year. They kum nipa more than 400. Meboa. Yen devs na ye recorded through accidents and send an okada. Sometimes, remember yen kasakeke, we must speak to facts. Say ye regularize okada. You bet me I yen safer. It is because it is not regulated and regularized no. And I yen legalizing. Oh, we are why into who police near not pentama for baby. Say you regulate here, so our traffic light to mudu ase no metwemu no. On twem because oni so legal right so dey gina ho no. The pastor started riding motor krum ha no mo. Da. Me I ride. Your fan comfort na motor echi. Say you engine sika and cause accidents. The logic is that immediately I made decided that before be out in echi no. It means I cause accident. And you lame. You moving beyond that reasoning. Now you put your argument into proper context. Greater Accra should we legalize Okada? Is either a yes or no? But we should look at other regions. Okada, a serious ambulances. I'm here MC where Krapim no Fukurum, I'm here MC for 8 years.
I know.
In most of the areas, without a motorbike, you can't get anywhere.
So are you saying in Accra, in the cities, no?
So what I'm saying is, that is not what I'm saying. They say we should have the debate in context.
Right.
Yeah, analyzing situations, no. Abia Accra, do we need Okada here? There because cars are able to reach almost everywhere. But I'm here going to car say the chrome ho say omba o the motorbike gba ni ama car no. Wale for saying it me to Okada. Wono ba me baby ofi no. Ono ani chrome ho no. Ono ani chrome ho no. VW car no. The chrome community nim saying and as VW car.
But you hold on for me why you be quick break. You buy you be Mr. George Opariado. Omo manifesto on the free SHS. Wakwaka on other platforms said they will abolish the double track system. Obi said the movement will be abolishing the double track system now. No, not just say who collapse the policy of the free SHS. I mean, we'll take his opinion on that. Say what those people are saying. No. Of course, say correct na. Mamenda Maurice Fashion Academy, Chantua Hills, near Anija Hospital. No machine atade kama admission koso. Who are passion for fashion. Say obetunya person e pamontade e mantade e mema suits ni ne aka ni na wedding gown. Opese usua bead making. Opese usua makeup. Woko Maurice Fashion Academy. ombetimi ene wo edin kita ho omo payment plan enye se okoya na wutua ni nyina omo 3 months course 6 months course and a 1 year course nso e wo ho so program ne be ko me do mo contact be tutu ama na wa from na onu omo edin kita ho e na eye Dolly's Beauty Lounge enso e wo Mata Heko near the police barracks omo e na ye many makeup enimity omo so eje inkofo sa opese wusua etreye sina ye wig cap sina ye makeup sina ye nails bibi biara efa eye ehusese ho no okọ Dolly's Beauty Lounge omo ebe shewo omo onoma ye manim enimity no ye nkọ be quick break ye beba sisi a
The hot seat. The hot seat.
We are back. Thank you, sir. We're staying through for all this period. I will share the hot seat at Ekwafu TV, and then we are zooming into the manifesto promise of the National Democratic Congress, the biggest opposition party in this country. I share a manifesto ni muno eden 143 about 143 pages no. Eden na eka efa emebunu ho ewo man mu entene no ye National Youth Organizer for NDC, Mr. George Opariado, and I share wa ha, ye share ni omo manifesto no, ebe ye ama Ghana for membunu se, Ghana for etu omo party no swaba, ora John Dramani Mahama, former president, osanso flag bearer of the party. Mr. Opariado, Usha Benya, one of omo major omo kan, so one of their major achievements, free SHS, free SHS ne de obia mountain platform omo eka free SHS wansam na mo so mo de abetu dwa se mo ba free SHS policy no de mu ntwam na mom double track no and na system no na mo betwam obi nso aka se the moment abaka se ultra double track system na se we gu policy no ntino mo ntimi handle free SHS no ti maka na fo onye den entiem ade na mba abolish double track system
asabia lazy man's approach
for the double track
to
system.
solving a problem, any double track. NDC and a static free senior high school.
Progressive free.
The constitution says that we must do progressively free senior high school. The word progressive is anything.
In kakra, right? It's most like most now
the first year it was progressive. Only first year.
Oh, but they want to make us don't confuse me. Don't confuse my viewers.
The word progressive, I'm saying.
I mean, bit by bit. In Kakwa,
yes, started in 2015, 2016. Every day student, Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Echo School free. Under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I know friend is saying.
Progressive free SHS.
Okay. President Tegufu Adubaye na Okojino Krapi Mines Secondary School because of the free SHS. The first year not started free SHS. Form 2 for Nyabi.
So okay.
Form 2 for Nyabi.
No, make your point.
Form 2 for Nyabi. Form 3 for Nyabi. Or started with only Form 1 students. Is it not the same progressive? Maybe so.
Relative.
It's not relative. Form 2 4 we're still paying fees. Form 3 4 we're still paying.
All right,
so he started on so Akufo-Addo did not start progressively free senior high school. The constitution says Article 25 2B say progressively free senior high school. John Mahama started it. Your fee as here no ono no boba betwem. Maybe so.
No, because I remember the review.
Maybe so fitidabe na review. Ebe mean is cancel.
Okay.
To review something means to make better. To review. Bibi enkoya policy biaba ye review after some time. When review it means you are setting yourself up to fail. Or started free SHS or started with double track.
No.
Exactly. So he reviewed it and brought double track.
So you review it
and take away double track. Or no review another double track by. You may review near you double track.
So one double track and double track and buy cover.
So I'll tell you how we'll fix it.
Right.
You started 124 senior high schools, E-blocks. At the time I had 46.
The government says you finished 27.
This is the same government or culture of the University of Ghana Hospital. On the sea, the manifesto. MBB some see University of Ghana Hospital. This is the same government or culture of the Regional Hospital on the sea. This is the same government of Ghana East Hospital on the sea.
Into Muja 129.
Yes, starting 124.
124, okay.
Yeah, Konya year 46.
Okay, so 124, 46.
6 were
completed and handed over.
With full amenities. And the others were at various stages of completion.
Right.
Free SHS. If they meant well for the people of Ghana. Out of the 140, 120, you know. Now about 60 of them, your boss area. Your boss area. So we completing when in 6 months. Omasika a core contractors in some area. This government was not committed in completing those buildings. We raise our buildings now because the 146 it was spaces, all the 124 it was spaces to take on board 250,000 students. All them students are here on double track Mainstream 198,000 students and a one on double track, the second track So with the completion of this 124, all of them, you would have had excess space to accommodate everybody. Unim saying school be any double track
Yeah, I know.
Exactly. So what it simply means that Menoka say there were 400 private senior high schools with a space and with strength of accommodating 218,000 students.
So you involve the private schools.
But we still say by the private schools, Nebeka.
But Obinsubeka says some of the private schools and your standard. Have you been to some of the private secondary schools? They don't have even computer. They don't have anything. It's only the building, the classrooms.
The same way as some of the private schools are not the standard. You encourage the private school behind your neighbor on board.
Okay.
You see about in the next, and they say we will abolish the double track in 1 year. That is what our manifesto says. You encourage the buy your need because the buy no tracks in you. And we are going to abolish it, not Oma continuing students, no. Obi biara or continuing student. The air can say next academic year, because they are mutual BC. Say Nyamiya Yadom. Not January 7, 2021 president, Mama and Air President. No from one student. Ever come upon Obia area. You be trust our double track. Oma double track, so they done it there. They will continue from 2, from 3, from they will continue because it will be extremely difficult to touch it. But the last batch, and more from 2 CCR, and we will deal with that effectively. Areas are deprived, underserved, and underserved in this context means maybe say Cape Coast. There's a lot of secondary schools, but there's a lot of traffic going into secondary schools in Cape Coast.
Yeah.
So it becomes an underserved community. If there are private schools in there, meeting standards now, we will put some of the students to Cape Coast, to those private schools. And as Abia, Form 1 for Ebekono, no matter the number, we will have enough students to deal with it. And that is what we are saying, sir. We will abolish double track. So from next academic year, double track. Where they even if you are disabled, you can't do anything about it. But those who are going to continue will take it away. And we have a record. You buy in 2009. Near the education for 4 years. We could have done double track then, because we didn't have enough classrooms. But under President Mahama and President Mills, then President Mills president, President Mahama vice president, emergency classroom infrastructure. Areas always say Form 4 no, cost 4 years no. We built emergency classroom blocks to accommodate every student, and we didn't have double track. It's not started can say double track is a lazy man's approach, because you see, if the NPP had planned properly,
it's worked in other countries.
No. Which country?
The United States of America.
That's not America.
Mexico.
America school been on the double track.
That's what the deputy minister said.
There was summer schools. It is for tertiary, not secondary schools. You can't do a summer school. University is number quite but the Ghana did that in summer schools for Ghana. It's nothing new. Call a distance. No, it's just like the summer school concept. We will end double track and we'll abolish it. Yet you say. Oma tro BC, I say what's the area young Babeko Form 1. Oma continue students, Oma more universities today. You say COVID in tea, I want to remember. You say in the first year, 1 year, right after COVID, next academic year, we are doing it for only 1 year. Yeah, fact change 50%. Yeah, your assessment then will say a total of about 200,000 students. And as our policy, and the baby affect you. Your estimations, no. Almost total school fees in Abuma with all the public institutions, it's about 800 million. Yeah, Fahafa is about 400 million. You need amount, no. You need maybe business can if you're something about them. Because if you're about them, that policy must start. That is a political party. Why you ready? Why you crowd? So person here, man, no boy Ghana for. When we were asking a Kufuor in opposition, the crime is not funding free SHS. What were the numbers? He didn't know. Only man can or starting free SHS. No. He would have anticipated, say, I could be issues with double track because there was not enough classroom blocks. And he would have put in place a policy to make sure, say, or be building enough classrooms to resolve double track. The issue of double track is a lazy man's approach for solving problems.
I said, more this badge of executives, more kasapa.
And yes, there, Kasa, you name a Juma. I was here.
You are trying to sound too convincing.
No, we are not sounding convincing. And I'm going to say, we did not just write this manifesto. Your bank of 40 said, we won't change.
Right.
Ebe J wa drink today. It is some more catchere, no. Munim say a practical. They are going to feasible. You bet me, it's in a catchere.
Finally, you say mobile NAPCO for more permanent jobs.
Yes. That's what you post your baby data. We just have to regularize it and make them permanent. Because there are spaces in those organizations. Omo collecting data for district assemblies. We need that data. We need that group. Because development is an everyday process. Omo is so relevant. We must look at how we make it relevant and put them into areas like you almost say, everybody 100,000 in the first 1 year, and then 200,000. And people are already on the field working now. Why do we have to change them? We will give the jobs to them.
Right.
So that they can remain permanent. It is all a NAPCO, Nina Wood, TMIA. We are not NPP. Ubia Ganeni. You say prosperity for all, opportunities for all. Ubia Ganeni Biano. Oh, yeah, we do John Mahama Ba, on Pamo, or no Bayama, because we are Ghana this year. But Mumian Buani and Pamosa Bangui, Monkai PBS, Monkai Japa, Monkai 1.5 billion of your oil revenue up to date. Think me Buwako Tantra, Niam Kubisa says Canasa, any Sika could be PBS one channel. Yes, it's about when you're going to say,
I remember your invoice. Compare now, I have the invoice. Finally, we'll say one of more pointers I want manifesto. I'm happy about. You would then pay incentive to landlords to reduce rent because rent will chromo and as the cities in this country is too exorbitant because obi away school for 2 years advance. And no more anything. How would that be?
Muslim start to see a manifesto on the page be akasama because some bebuna where you university for where you training college for where you at the Pamako Sia Juma for so na for apprenticeship program
right.
Now we're seeing you marry. And the crazy bit 500,000 who I saw the palm for in here, man. We're seeing you marry. Now we could fear you and years ago for 2 years advance over landlords in our association. I also put your tax man by. You know more better than but tax is a mutual man by the better man. You better swam. Monso so no monhwe say mo beye rent in such a way bia e fa ho kire embre
Obibeka says the law says so mo 6 months.
We will try is that most mo ka ho bi
mo yesa they say baby 2 years
most mo ka ho bi tenants mo ka ho bi
yeah then
you kaze mo 6 months kra mo mpe mo be mo 2 years now anything u 2 years now we say for 2 years because baby no kan adwuma pa ne ho adwuma na wo ye no and said uncle ye it will need that so bia it will need sika said I will do 2 years now was muju 2 years but we were juma parents busumi bia o bibia you be comfortable paying 6 months the law firm I work in a few people about e be say try say be enforce it ozo there be o dey 2 years in I cannot hear mama because and then menye sika e bi o chira na me ni adwuma na me ntumi entua so we must create an environment say environment na ye that's all we juma pa na wo ya say na ye promise you juma pa ya u tia 6 months who when that so say after 6 months no adwuma na ye no e betu sustain we tia another 6 months so we must change your foundation your economical foundation and son as 6 months now because when them can say be a landlord she has 6 months man ya open
Met you 2 years.
Open 2 years. You already say 6 months you do no. Open by myself to rent you. So it is a give or take.
Thank you very much. And I really enjoyed your conversation. Thank you very much. Yeah, I had to see Mr. George Oparado, a national youth organizer, our National Democratic Congress, the biggest opposition party in this country. Yeah, but sure, my manifesto no, far a kama and mebuno, kromano, and no any did no a film. I mean, that was to say, OJ Brett now share me the production team and also as to say, more a deal my work camp, a chat, a program. Me da a costume atade ya me say Maurice Fashion Academy Watantra Hills Anija Hospital in Chenwa no mo she atade kama me so say wo baby a we SS ana we JSS kwa no tifie no call on to us na opese osua de pampapa faneko Maurice Fashion Academy na omonche no 3 months course 6 months course and 1 year course sua se ye pam mata de mata de suits I mean African wear bibia pesa opam no me say me ni measurement me ka tom say me size 8 and no pe no mo de abam wo delivery metimi apoma kama fa oba no ko Hawaii no ko sua adepam ene ye pomade ba ko sika ye gi no enya asam ketoa wo be hu Maurice Fashion se na me kan e Watantra Hills e wo Accra ha omo numbers e 050 912 6634 and as 059 221 4625 come social media platform akosia sabia asmen all the social media platforms so me de omo numbers ni contact no me chat ade nso full ade acha wo pese ukopam bia na oni omo ede nkita ho eye Maurice Fashion Academy omo no mo share me atade and sana Dolly's Beauty Lounge omo so e o Mata Heko near the police barracks udu police barracks wa na bo so omo signage ni pocket se ukọ ha ono so eje eye wona wo pese omo sua etire ye wo pese wo sua se ye makeup wo pese nails the wake up nyina no obecho omo payment plan ukwa asika kakra bi utua wo mu na utua no enkakra enche obo na wo so anya wo sa no adwuma se wo mo yete no mpamade no wo mo ye makeup ene disika e wo man mo $4 e wo 026 590 2389 026 590 2389 Mama sign enda was say OJ Brenna wo share da se ne ye bese ye hia e wo Kwafo TV the hot seat ye femi akosia asabia asmeni nyame nka wo Enchebia amanyofo beko epueye atoye asretimemufo se omonto omoso aba na mibiso edien ena omowo ema ekuafo mibisa ekuafo efise Ghana ha ye sika sam ho fapem ejina ekuayo mu wenti ena ekuafo TV kofa bae ye de fofo kra eba ya to ni din the hot seat eye dwumade bia ye ne wona omonimu de metro ministers MPs MCs DCs any empo aspiring MPs wona ombegina say ye nto omoso aba ebehia na ne omwo ema ekuafo ana agric sector no omo de atopo no so wo hot seat no so no me akosia asabia asmeni megina wana mu na mebisa omo ensemo afa ho obesa obeso yasen a hwe numbers ya egu TV de so efre ni eni wo endi nkita ho the hot seat ebeye she the hot seat ebeye hot akonwa no so ebeye she